everybody, what's up? It's me, Isabel. Sorry for the noise in the background. Neighbors are mowing the lawn. And today I'm here with my puppy. Her name is Echo. And I have this. Come on, Echo. It's 15 feet, so. Okay, so I locked it. No! No, stop it. Stop. She loves my shoes. So hang on, guys. Hang on. She's trying to bounce on my shoes. I was just watching Gavin Wagner. And then, because I just got home yesterday, I was on a trip. And I didn't vlog that or anything. So, Echo, come on. Let's go, girl. Come on, Echo. Come on, Echo. Echo. Sorry, guys. Hang on. Okay, so now she's walking. We're going around the block. Come on, girl. Echo. It's stretched out. Okay, now. Echo. No. Echo, come on. Hang on. I am now carrying the puppy. She is 7 weeks old. So since she's only 7 weeks old, she doesn't know how to do stuff the right way. I think she's used to the other leash because we got a pink leash. Come on, Echo. See, she won't, I've been gone for a couple days, so I think she'd, I don't know. Whenever I was here, I just locked it. Okay, she's going to the bathroom. And I'm going to show you how to lock it. So, you just press this, then push it forward. Now she can't go past this. Echo, come on! Echo! Hang on. So I'm carrying the puppy, the baby, and we're just going around the block. Sorry if you can't hear me, but once I said, the neighbors are mowing the lawn. This is a cute little puppy. She's looking at you. What the heck? What is this thing in front of me? And I just started the show now. I'm petting her. Hang on. Must be super hot for her because it's so hot out. She's like, what is this? I'm carrying her because I don't want her to I have the leash, but I at least need her to be somewhere that she knows that she has to go. Echo, wait. This way. Come on, Echo. Come on. She usually runs. Echo. This is as far as it goes, I'm pretty sure. Echo. No. Oh, so now she's running. Hang on. No. This way. Yeah. Okay. Guys, I have it this far because she likes walking and stuff. So I'm just taking her for exercise because she needs her exercise. Sorry guys, if you hear that, that's just people mowing their lawn and the leash. If you hear bobbling. Okay, I think she wants to go inside because she's going to the door. Do you want to go inside, girl? Do you want to go inside? Yeah, she wants to go inside. Hang on, Echo. Hang on. Okay, so I unlocked it. Come on. Hang on, girl. Hang on. Here. I'm unhooking the leash. This is how she goes in. Then she leaves me to hang out her leash up there. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you can. And if you're going to subscribe and like, make sure to turn on that bell for post notifications. Bye. Love you. Peace.